Well, here we are 30 some minutes later. My news station sent me back out into this blizzard. And as I predicted, we're now going to get about 34 inches of snow by the time this is all said and done. Oh, it looks pretty on the pine tree, and the ground is starting to accumulate. So far, the roads and driveways are just wet. And my neighbor put ice down. He anticipated this. As you can see, I did not put ice down. I will throw potting soil out there because that's all I've got. Stay tuned, more to follow.